A fire couldn't defeat it. The incredible story of Notre Dame's survival and restoration. In the heart of Paris stands a symbol of resilience, the Notre Dame Cathedral. On April 15, 2019, the world watched in horror as flames engulfed this historic monument. But what seemed like the end was just the beginning of an extraordinary journey of revival. Built over 850 years ago, Notre Dame has been the epicenter of French culture and history, surviving wars, revolutions, and now a devastating fire. This Gothic masterpiece, known for its flying buttresses, stunning rose windows, and gargoyles, has a story that transcends its architecture. It's a testament to human creativity, faith, and determination to restore beauty from ashes. The restoration process is not just about rebuilding. It's a meticulous effort to preserve the essence of Notre Dame, involving artisans, historians, and craftsmen worldwide. From the spire that once punctured Paris's skyline to the smallest stained glass detail, every piece tells a part of Notre Dame's story.